Right, boys. So just finished the first video. We are now on the second one. Let's look at that. We took this freaking ass trade, which is just bad, bro. Which is just bad. I missed. There you go. I missed before because I couldn't trade. Every other day I could have, but just today bro. Oh my days, man. Oh my days, so frustrating. But yeah, missed. Did I miss? Yeah, let's say I missed it. I'm not sure. Not sure though. So yeah, you put it here. It's more almost a one-to-one, I think. Yeah, like that. And then your TP until here. So 1 to 2 probably. Yeah, there you go. 1 to 2. Um, and yeah, I missed it, boys, because I couldn't trade. Or here, sorry. Yeah, here. So 1 to 1 more or less. 1 to 1. So, not a great trade, but with the scaling point would have been more. The only thing is that I saw that well, no, actually, it was actually valid, bro. It was actually valid. We got a break, a consistent break with that here, so that's good. This could have been a trade where I get banged, and that's not a good trade because it has to really break here. A good break here, it did a good break. Started reversing, and then with two big things, yeah, messed it up. So we find ourselves at minus. Whoa, can you see me, bro? Yeah. So we find ourselves at minus 4% already, bro. And let me show you what I did. Basically, as soon as I got stopped out, I kind of crashed out, bro. Literally crashed out. I said, all right, I know that it's not good. So you see, crashed out. I know that it's not good, but I'll just buy. Fuck this, man. I'm just buying, bro. So I bought like here, I think, or somewhere here. And I knew, bro, that I was going to end up losing money. I knew it because, bro, markets want me to succeed. They want me to not do the mistake. And yeah, went great. Then, as soon as it started going up again a bit, I put in my stop loss here. Then it started even higher. So I know, yeah, actually, I left it there. Fuck, man. So yeah, really not by a lot. But yeah, you can see that I got barely stopped out, and then could have made a lot of money, bro. But yeah, anyways, I'm really happy that I did not over like yeah 280. So happy still that I did not do it. I put it a stop loss at like minus 1%, and I quickly like moved it higher. So we end up ourselves almost at half, bro. Already half. It has been what, 4 days of trading day? Literally 4 trading days, bro. Literally 4 trading days, and we are already on my days, bro. Not ideal, bro. Not ideal. I mean, we bought the combine on the 19th, so we are already almost a month in, and we have maybe one more week to trade. Because afterwards it kind of goes crazy, with Christmas and all. So really not ideal. But anyways, boys, what you want me to do? That's trading, bro. You gotta earn it. You gotta earn it to make it really hard. I am really struggling and burning my money, of course, because I don't have much, bro. Actually, I'll look it up right now. I don't have much. I think if I have, no, I don't, bro. I mean, even though I have the blessing to live in a rich country, like not US but Europe. We still don't have, a lot. Why? Because, bro, not everyone is rich, even in the rich countries, right? I do have a good life and I'm grateful for it. Let's see how much I have, bro. I think, oh shit, way more than unexpected, bro. All right, so that's good. Uh, but yeah, yeah, no, we still, I mean, it's more than I expected, but it's not enough, like, bro. I'm still cooked, you know what I mean? So yeah, just to give you an idea, uh, three figures on the, so yeah, it's not that bad, actually. It's not that bad. Three figures, on the lower end of the three figures, of course. So yeah, a thing that I would like, bro, is like soon, pretty soon, uh, be on a four figure, like my net worth being four figure, that would be great. But I need, especially YouTube for now. That's the that's the only way I can make money right now. If we up this up, I don't know why this one flopped. I think it was a pretty good one. So yeah, just such a shame. But yeah, videos are not doing as great now that I see it. So yeah, count on you boys, because trading, bro, if we depend on trading right now, I am cooked, bro. I'm not going anywhere. But yeah, that will be all, guys. I hope you enjoy this kind of off track part. So yeah, see you boys on the next one. Like, subscribe, and hopefully we see each other on a W for, bro, for once, bro, please. So yeah, bye.